This is Deirdre from Stepping Stones Coaching, and I'm here in Tullymore Forest Park in Newcastle. And we came out tonight. I'm with Robert Smith and we were going to make a video. He made his and now it's my turn to make mine, and we are being eaten alive by midges. So it got us thinking, what about things that irritate you and annoy you and keep annoying you? No, stop, I don't know what I'm saying about.
Just keep going.
You know, sometimes we don't want to do the work we have to do. Like, I want to make a video this evening, and sometimes it's easy to do things and sometimes it's not so easy. And what do we usually do when this kind of thing happens? We run away. What do? We eat it, smoke it, shop it, drink it, sex it, whatever we do to avoid doing what we really need to do. I know something more than anything, I want to make these videos, okay? So I set myself the intention this evening. Now Robert's here, so he's the guru, right? He knows everything. And what happens to me, I start getting really nervous and anxious, and I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to do it right, it's not going to be good enough. But the truth about it is that I've done enough of this work now to know that what we resist persists. And I want to be so good at what I do, I need to do the grunt work. I need to do the painful work. I need to come out here with Robert looking at me, and he's over there, and make the video, okay? And feel all those feelings. And then tap them and let them go. And you know something? It's not actually that bad once you get started, okay? So what I want to do is I want to show you how to apply this metaphor to your life. Your work that you need to do to heal your life, okay? So go to the resistance, not from it. Go to it. If you feel the irritation, like these flies, if you feel like, you know, it's easier to go home and forget about it, we'll do it another day, run away, run away, run away. Well, stop it, because it doesn't work. And you and I both know by this stage that it really doesn't work. So go to it. Do what you have to do. Make your list. Get yourself your practitioner. Tap on all the emotions, all the things that annoy you. And you know something? After a while, they just don't annoy you that much, okay? They're still there, but you can clear them out. You can learn to live with them in a better way. You clear them out, tap them away, let them go, let it all go. And after you do this, very gradually, when you do your work, your life starts to improve. My life is getting better and better and better and better every day. And the biggest thing I have to do is start learning how to enjoy it. Okay, so what do? I'm still tapping every day. Robert and I tapping all day today, clearing out all the stuff, all the references that I have from my past. This video is about being honest, and that's what I want to do. I want to be honest with you. I want to tell you that I tap every day. My life is amazing, but I still tap, and I want the best for you. So that's why I made this video this evening. So I hope it helps you. I've had enough now. I'm going to stop. I'm a really good girl. And you know something? If you do your work, give yourself a wee reward. Pat yourself on the back, because other people are still running and you're doing your work. I hope this video helps you in some wee way. I hope whatever you're doing, you really have a good day. And don't forget to come back now. Okay? Bye.
That's good.